Welcome to Shriprati Educational Online Classes. So today we are going to start a new lecture in Python. We are going to see in this lecture about the operators. So what is operator in Python? Operators are the constructs which can manipulate the value of operand. Operator just a construct which can manipulate the value of the operand. For example, I am going to take a pen here, just a second. Okay. So here I am going to take an example like A is equals to plus B. Okay. So here A and B are the operands. Okay. Operands, and plus is the operator. Plus is the operator. It is also called as the arithmetic operator, and it can manipulate the values that is in operand. Definitely A and B consists of some value. A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20, and when the operator is used, then it will manipulate the values. 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. So the answer is the manipulated answer comes. The operator can be defined as a symbol which is responsible for a particular operation between two operands. The operator can be defined as a symbol. This is a symbol which is responsible for performing a particular operation between the two operands. These are the two operands, and this is responsible for performing an operation like this, performing an operation uh, addition. Okay, so operators are the pillars for building a logic. Operators are the pillars for building a logic in a particular programming language. Operators जो होते हैं वो पिलर की तरह काम करते हैं of a program on which the logic is built, जिस पे कि logic build करते हैं for a particular programming language. Operators are used to perform operation on variables and values. Python provides a variety of operators. Now the arithmetic operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, relational operators, logical operators, and the identity operators. Now the arithmetic operator are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Arithmetic operators जो होते हैं which are used to perform some type of mathematical operation, like it can perform addition, or it can perform subtraction or multiplication and division. So the plus operator is used to perform the operation of addition, which adds the two operands. A is equals to 20, B is equals to 25, C is equals to A plus B. These are the operands. A have a value of 20, B have a value 25. Then print C. The manipulated output comes into this operand, print C. So C is equals to क्या आ गया यहाँ पे 45. The output is 45. Now the second operator is subtraction operator, which is also from the arithmetic operator, and in simple terms we can say that it is an arithmetic operator. So A is equals to 30, B is equals to 25, C is equals to A minus का B. Print C. A as is an operand, B is an operand. A consists of 30, B consists of 25. A minus B, 30 minus 25. Print C. So answer is C. Now C answer is 5. Now division operator. Division operator, A is equals to 100, B is equals to 25, C is equals to A minus का B. Division operator. So A is equals to 100, B is equals to 25, C is equals to A divided by B. Print the answer of division is plus C. The answer of division is 4.0. Now we come on to the next operator, that is exponential operator, and it is also from the arithmetic operator. It is also called as the arithmetic operator. Okay, so A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to A star star B. Exponential operator is denoted by this symbol. It simply means A is to power B. A is to power B. That means 2 is to power 3. Now, 8, 2 is to power 3 is 8. So the answer is stored in C operand. Okay. When I use a print statement, then it will display the output onto the output screen. Now the floor division. X is equals to 25. Floor division is denoted by double forward slash. Y is equals to 6. Z is equals to X forward slash Y double forward slash Y. Print the answer is plus Z. The answer is 4. Similarly, this only given value in integer. Okay, this is gives the value only in integer. ये वैल्यू को राउंड अप करके दे देता है आपको. लाइक अगर आपके पास 4.5, 4.2, 4.3 आ रहा है तो आपको कैसे 4 दे देगा, 3 दे देगा, 2 दे देगा. लेट अस कंसीडर एन एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्लोर डिवीजन practically. Now we are going to discuss about the floor division operator, that is also a part of the arithmetic operator. X is equals to 25 here. Okay, X is equals to 25 is here, Y is equals to 6, Z is equals to floor division symbol, then Y. Print the answer is Z. The answer is 4. It will only output the value that is before the decimal. Okay, so we will take an example practically. I am going to take an example of floor division. So I am take a value of operand A is equals to 26, right? And operand B is equals to 3. So C is equals to A floor division sign B. Print the answer of floor division. The answer of floor division is C. The ऑपरेंड में स्टोर हो जाएगा C ऑपरेंड में. Now save the program and run it. The answer of floor division is 8. Okay, so जो floor division होता है, it will only output the value which is before the decimal point. Okay, thank you. So we will see the assignment operator in our next lecture. So please stay safe at your home during coronavirus and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for the latest update.